André Citroen went from making firearms in the First World War to innovative cars and vans. Founded in 1919 by André Citroen, Citroen had built his fortune on making armaments and for the application of the double helical gears, hence the chevron badge. From dull but cheap cars, Citroen went to the revolutionary traction event in 1934, one of my all-time favourite cars, which bankrupted the company and forced a takeover by Michelin tyres. Citroen bought into Panhard from 1955 to 1968 before closing it, continuing revolutionary designs including the DS, SM, I've made a video about that, and a wankled engined car caused Citroen to fall and end up in the hands of Peugeot to create PSA Peugeot Citroen from 1976.